Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. This is so exciting because it's my first video ever. I just decided to make a YouTube video because I think I have a lot of things to share. So yeah, my name is Olenka, but people call me Ole, and this video is going to be all about the secrets that I have of how I edit my Instagram pictures, because a lot of my friends had asked me how I do it, and I don't know what tricks do I do, and I'm just gonna tell you everything about it today. So if you want to know more about it, just keep on watching. If you see my Instagram, I think I'm gonna put it right here. You kind of see that every single picture doesn't look the same, like exactly the same and everything, you know, or like with the same preset or something, like every single one of them. But somehow I make it work. They all look good together. I was thinking about like how am I gonna show how I edit every single picture, because I don't do it the same every time. So I had this idea to make a series about every preset that I've made this whole past year, 2019. Those are the ones you see on my Instagram, especially the ones that are with no white borders. I'm just gonna stop rambling and I'm just gonna show you how I did this first preset that I called Aqua, and it's just perfect for every beach picture, like every picture that has like, I don't know, like a pool, or even though it doesn't have a pool or like a beach, you still can use it in pictures that has a lot of blue. So this is how I do it. Okay, as you can see, all of the pictures that you're seeing on your screen right now are unedited. I'm going to show you how to do this preset in the Las Vegas picture, and then I'm going to teach you how to save it and just paste it in all of the other pictures just for like one click. I don't know if I said it before, but I'm using the app Adobe Lightroom, and you can download it in any app store, either for like iOS or for Android. As soon as you have the app, you just have to open it and then import all the pictures that you want to edit, and then do everything that I'm going to show you next. First, we have the lights, where we can edit exposure, highlights, contrast, shadows, whites and blacks. For exposure, we're gonna put plus 0.47. For contrast is 0, and for highlights is minus 76. For shadows is plus 19. For whites is plus 60, and for blacks is plus 8. Next we have the curve, which I'm just going to do on screen right now, and you're gonna be a little bit confused because like you're gonna be, oh my god, what she's doing, why everything's so fast. But don't worry, right now I'm just gonna put a screenshot of the final product with the curve, and just screenshot it yourself and do the same thing to your curve. And yeah, just put the dots exactly what I put them, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Next, we have color, where you find temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation. For temperature is going to be minus 4. For tint is going to be minus 8. We don't have vibrance, just leave it like that. And for saturation is minus 3. Next, we have color mix, which is the little color wheel up there in the top right. And this one is a game changer. Literally, this is like the most important part, I think. It's just the part that makes the difference, because you can make every single color look the way you want it to look. As you can see, we have all the colors, and for red we're gonna put on hue plus 58. For saturation is going to be plus 48, and for luminance is gonna be plus 3. For orange is going to be hue minus 7, saturation is going to be minus 16, and luminance minus 5. For yellow, hue is going to be minus 92, saturation plus 14, and luminance minus 20. For greens, hue is going to be all the way down, minus 100, saturation minus 88, and for luminance is going to be plus 51. For this light blue color, hue is plus 36, saturation plus 40, and luminance plus 4. Next we have blue, which hue is going to be minus 34, saturation is plus 2, and hue is minus 35. Next is purple, and we're just going to put saturation minus 100, and we're going to do the same thing with pink. Next we have effects, and here we're just going to put a little bit of clarity. just +9 to be exact. And then we have detail, and here we're not gonna do anything on sharpening. Just go to noise reduction and put it to 10, and after this one go to color noise reduction and put it to 15. And that's it, you're done. That's all you gotta do for this preset. So just let's take a look how the picture looked before and how it looks now with the aqua preset. In order to save this preset, you just have to go to the circle that has 3 dots and go to create preset, and then here just put a name that you want to. I put aqua, but you can put whatever you want, and then just click OK, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now just go to all your pictures that you want to edit with this preset. Go all the way down in the settings and click on the 2 circles. Then just choose the preset that you just created. As you can see, I have 2 aquas right now because I already had it before, but in order to teach you how to save it, I save it twice. So yeah, that's how this beach kind of bluish type of pictures look with the aqua preset, and that's it. So that was the secret about how to make my aqua preset. I hope you liked this video, and if you like how your picture ended up looking, don't forget to put a thumbs up down there. It helps me a lot. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep on watching videos like this where I show you all of my presets. And yeah, I think that's it. If you made it this far, just comment down below the wave emoji, or just comment about any questions you have, or if you want, you can check my Instagram and you can see my pictures and see which picture do you like, and comment there that you want a video of the preset I've made for that picture, so I can do the video sooner on the ones that are requested more. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope everyone has an amazing day or night or evening or wherever. I'm just gonna stop rambling right now. Bye bye, and until next time.